I spoke a little bit too soon. Before we put on the cam cover, we need to put on our hydraulic chain tensioner. And to do that, I'll put a drop of blue Loctite on both of the bolts. I'm going to run the top bolt in just so it's flush with the tensioner, so it's flat up against the cam cover, or the cam support plate. There you go. Then we'll use that as a hinge. So we'll push this guy, there we go, into place. Oops. Put our bottom bolt in. And then thread it. All right, then I'm going to torque those to 100 inch-pounds, and then we can put on the cam cover.